Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Snapchat in your laptop or your PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first, after you open your laptop, you are going to click here in the search and you are going to type store. You will find Microsoft Store. You just open this application and then you will find this search bar. Just type here and you just type Snapchat and you click enter. After that, you wait for seconds and you will see the option here. The first one, Snapchat, the official website, the official application, and it is completely free. You just click here and you click on the get button. And once you do that, the installation will start. You just wait till it finishes. And after that, you will see the button open. You just click there, you log into your account, and that's it. Now you can use your Snapchat in your PC. And after it finished, if you didn't find it here in your desktop, you just simply click on the search, you type Snapchat, then you will see the application, and in the options you can create a shortcut to make it here in your desktop, or you just can pin it to your taskbar and you will find it here just next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.